He is wearing one, he is keeping in his hand. One is enough.
He is muted.
He can hear me. He is laughing. Yes, now we are going to start the next topic, 9.3 and 9.4 problems connected. How will you find, how will you compare the two fractions? How will you add the two fractions? How will you subtract the two fractions? Before that, you should understand what do you mean by like fractions. Can anyone say what is meant by like fractions?
Like fractions having the same denominator.
Yes, fractions which are having same denominators are called like fractions.
And
So can you
unlike fractions are
yes, can
fractions
you
which
tell me
have
some
different.
examples for like fractions?
1/4, 2/4, 9/4.
Yes. So fractions which are having same denominators are called like fractions. One by four, 2/4,
9/4.
they are all having the denominator same. What is their common denominator, Nia?
4.
4. 4. Don't see the numerator. If the denominators are same, you can say that they are like fractions. Next one, 1/7 and 1/8. Are they like fractions?
They're unlike fractions.
They are unlike fractions. They are not like fractions. So fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions.
Ma'am, I have learned this in my
Yes.
previous
If
class.
they are like fractions, you can compare, you can add the fractions, or you can subtract the fractions if they are like fractions. For example, now 3/7 and 2/7. Which is larger here? Ethan, can you tell me which is larger?
3/7.
3/7 is larger. Which is smaller? Noel?
2/7.
Smaller. 2/7 is smaller. And if you want to add, what you will get? 3/7 plus 2/7. What you will get? You will get it as 5/7. 5/7.
They are adding the like fractions.
Because you can add only the numerators. If you want to add the numerators, you will get the answer. Is it clear now?
Yes.
If they are which type of fraction, Samuel?
I'm like fraction.
No, they are like fractions. If they are like fractions, you can compare the like fractions, you can add the like fractions, and you can subtract it. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so what do you mean by like fractions? Algan, what is meant by like fractions?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, tell me. What do you mean by like fractions? Payal, are you attentive here?
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes, tell me now.
There also audio problem. The fraction has same denominator. Same denominator. Denominator is like.
What do you mean by like fractions?
The fractions which are having the same denominator.
Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. You can compare the two fractions and you can add the two fractions how you are liking. Ekaraj, did you understand the term LCM, how to find out yesterday? Did you learn? Yes, next step you can write. So if you want to add, how will you convert the unlike fractions into like fractions and you can compare? For example, now 1/2 and 1/3. What are the denominators here? Ethan answered now.
Ma'am, the
Samuel, what are the denominators here?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. So first step, you should find the LCM of 2 and 3. You have to write like this: 2, 1 and 3. Again, you have to divide. What is the LCM of 2 and 3?
6.
6. 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. First step, all of you understood?
Yeah.
Yes. What you will do, Ananda Krishnan? What you will do? You should find the LCM of the denominators. What is the LCM of the denominators? As in, how will you get the LCM of the denominators? You should find how you are finding the LCM. So first one is 2 and 3, LCM is 6. How will you write it now? No, Nia? How will you write this now? Nia,
Yes, ma'am.
how will you write the first fraction now? Take the first fraction as 1 by 2. Okay, what is the first fraction?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. You write how it is like that. Then take the LCM. What is the LCM? You got it already.
6.
Then you divide 6 by 2. What you will get there?
Ma'am,
Answer you will get it 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Then you multiply both numerator and denominator with 3. 1 into 3 divided by 2 into 3. What is 1 into 3?
3.
3. What is 2 into 3?
6.
6. So first fraction 1 by 2 became 3 by 6. Is it clear now?
excuse me.
I do not
You did
understand.
their first step, Alvina?
I do not understand, ma'am.
Yes, yes, listen carefully. What you did first step?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I came now. Which person
Yes, yes,
are you?
I know that. You listen now, listen. What is the first step you did it, Alvina?
We will multiply both of the fractions.
That means you are finding the LCM of 2 and 3, you write it. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? You got it? 2, 3. 1 and 3. Again, you can divide it. 1 and 1. This is the LCM of 2 and 3. 6. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Then take the first fraction. What is the first fraction?
1 by 2.
By 2. You write like this 1 by 2. Then divide 6 divided by 2. You will get it as 3 answer. Then next step, what is the answer you are getting? You have to multiply with 3. 1 into 3 divided by 2 into 3. What is 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 into 3 is 6. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is the answer you got it? 2 by 6. No, what is the answer?
3 by 6.
First fraction, it became 3 by 6. How will you write the next fraction, Len Shibin?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you write the second fraction?
1 by
Yes, very good. Tell me, how will you write 1 by 3?
3 divided by 6.
6 divided by 3. Very good. His steps, yes, 2. So 1, what is the next one you will do it? 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 2. What is 1 into 2? 2. What is 3 into 2? 6. Then, which is larger now? First fraction is larger or second fraction is larger?
Ma'am, I do not understand.
Second.
Step about it.
First one is larger. Okay. What is the second one? 2 by 6. So 3 by 6 is larger than 2 by 6. Yes, Payal.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in the step you just told 1 by 3, I do not understand that one. Can you show
One.
it more?
Which one you did not understand?
1 by 3, the fraction 1 by 3, and you did 1 into 2.
This
That.
much understood? LCM you understood?
Yeah, ma'am, I do not understand the other one.
Then take the first fraction. What is the first fraction is here?
1 by 3.
First fraction is 1 by 3.
No, 2. 1 by 2.
1 by 2 you write as usual. Same fraction you write. Okay. Then you take the LCM. What is the LCM you got it here?
Ma'am, not that one.
Yes.
The 1 by 3 is equal to 1 into 2 and 3 into 2.
No, that one only same. So what is the LCM you got here now? LCM what you got? 6. 6 you have to divide by 3. How much you will get?
2.
2. 2 you will get it. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 2. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now you got it as 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 2 is 6. So you will get the answer as 2 by 6. Which is larger?
The second one.
First fraction is larger because here is the numerator is 3, here the numerator is 2. Which is larger? 3 by 6 is larger. If you want to add 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6, you will get it as 5 by 6. If you want to add, compare. Is it okay now? Yes or no?
Can you show another example?
Yes, another example I will give you now. You can try to do it. If you are not getting, I will tell and give you. Another example, you can write it. One by 2 and 1 by 4. Next one. Second example you write and see. 1 by 2 and first you find out LCM.
Ma'am, in rough book or no?
Rough book. Tomorrow we can do in class notes. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. This is the first step you wrote, Nainika.
Ma'am, this is like fraction or LCM.
These are unlike fractions. You are going to find out LCM and converting it into like fractions. What is the LCM you got it, Nainika? 4. Yes. First step you can write LCM. 2 and 4. You can do it. LCM is 4. Everybody understood the first step? How will you find the LCM? Yes or no?
No.
LCM you don't know?
Yeah, ma'am.
LCM you got it. That much you did.
Yeah, we
Second-
learned it in the previous class.
When you take the first fraction, 1 by 2. How will you write 1 by 2? Another question. How will you write 1 by 2? 4 you have to divide by 2. You will get it as 2. 1 into 2. 2 divided by 4. What is the next step, Egaraj? 1 by 4.
Can you give another problem?
Which is larger now? Which is larger? Which is larger?
2 by 4. 2 by 4 is larger, ma'am.
If you want to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, you will get it as 2 by 4. You will get it as 3 by 4.
Ma'am, we will divide the denominator with the LCM.
Yes, denominator LCM is 4. You have to divide with this number here. What is the number here? It is 2. So 4 divided by 2, you will get it as 2. The next step you can write 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Nainika, is it okay now? Are you following?
I do not understand.
Yes.
I do not understand.
Which one? Which step you did not understand?
Ma'am, I also did not understand.
Which step? Where LCM you understood?
Yes. No.
LCM not understood. Yesterday those are absent. I am not responsible. LCM did you understand?
I join now only.
Yes, next step you can write LCM as 4. Then you divide 4 divided by 2. You will get 1 into 2. Another example I will give you. You can try to do it. Third question, 3 by 10. And 2 by 5. 3 by 10. First step you can do it, find the LCM first.
Ma'am, the LCM is 10.
All of you completed the LCM step?
Yes, ma'am, the LCM is 10.
Yes. 10 and 5, you can take it as 5, 2 and 1. LCM is 10. All of you got this step?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no response. LCM all of you got?
Yes,
Yes. What is the next step you will do it?
we have to divide
Divide.
10 by
Take the first fraction. 3 by 10 you take it. 10 you have to divide by 10. You will get it as
we'll
1.
get 1.
We can write also 2 by 5.
Which one?
Ma'am, in 10 and 5, we can write also 2 by 5.
No, only denominator you divide. 10 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 10. This much you got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, 2 by 5.
We will divide 10 by 5.
What is the LCM you get? 5. 10. 10 divided by 5, you will get it as 2. 2 into 2 divided by 5 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 4 by 10. Which is larger? First one is larger or second one is larger?
Second one, ma'am.
Second one.
Second one.
How will you add this? 4 by 10 is larger than 3 by 10. How will you add these two?
We will get 7 by 10.
3 by 10 plus 4 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10.
7 by 10.
Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Little bit okay. Delna?
Ma'am, I understood fully.
Understood fully. What about Nia? Did you understand? Yes, little bit okay. Shall I give another example? Someone?
Yes, ma'am.
Angelo, is it okay now?
Ma'am, 50% okay.
50% you understood. Ethan, is it okay?
Ma'am, I understood a
Okay, now shall I give another example? Another example.
Yeah, I can give. Yeah.
2 by 4 and 3 by 8. 2 by 4.
3 by
2 by 4 and 3 by 8. First step, find the LCM. Then you tell me.
Ma'am, the LCM is 8.
Okay, very good. LCM is 8. First step, all of you did correctly. Excellent. 2.
and the LCM is 8.
Yes. LCM you can write it as 8. Then next step you complete it. I will tell you.
I cannot see your share screen.
Which one?
I cannot see your share screen.
Next step you got it?
Yes, ma'am. We will divide 4
Yeah.
by 8.
Ma'am, I
8 by 4.
complete.
Finished now?
Ma'am, I is completed.
Yes,
Yes,
very good.
ma'am.
Then take the first fraction, 2
Ma'am,
by
2
4.
by 4 is greater.
Now you have to divide 8 by 4. You will get the answer as
8 divided
2.
by
2
4.
into 2, 4 into 2. Second fraction you take it, 3 by 8. You have to divide 8 by 8, you will get it as 1. 3 into 1 divided by 8 into 1. 3 by 8. Which is larger?
The first one.
First one is larger. How will you add these two? If you want to add, what you will do?
Ma'am, we will get 7 by 8.
Yes.
If you want to add, they should have the same denominators.
Yes, you can add only the numbers which are having same denominators. Otherwise, you cannot add.
Ma'am, what if we get different denominators?
What?
What if we get different denominators?
What?
What if we get different denominators?
Different denominators, you are converting it into same denominators by finding the LCM and making the first fraction to the same denominator. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Yes, Ethan, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we do another example? Shall I give you another example?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishnesh, is it okay now? Fifth problem, you can do it. 2 by 6 and 2 by 3. 2 by 6 and 2 by 3. You can do it fast now. First step, you. Angelo, is it okay now?
Six is the LCM.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it's the LCM.
5 is the 6 is the LCM, ma'am.
Okay, very good. What is the next step? Angelo?
Ma'am, 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1.
Yes, very good.
3 divided
1.
by
Yes. 2
6
into
is
1.
equal to 2.
Shall get it as 2 by 6. What is the second fraction? 2 by 3. How will you write 2 by 3? 6 divided by 3. 2 into 2. 4 by 6. Which is larger?
The second one is
Second one is
larger. ma'am.
larger. If you want to add, what you will do?
The denominator should be same.
Yes. So you can add 2 by 6.
4,
6
8,
by 6.
We will get
6 by 6.
6.
Ma'am,
Is it
6
okay
by
now?
6.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
6 by 6 is a whole, right?
Yes, 6 by 6 you can write it as 1.
Second one is
Because it
the
is a whole.
Which one?
Because it is a one whole.
Yes, 1 you can write it. You will get it as 1.
Ma'am, I finished. That finished.
Now is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, shall I give another one?
Yes.
5 by 4 and 3 by 2. Tomorrow I will give you notes. 5 by 4 and 3 by 2. First you find the LCM.
Ma'am, how can it come 3 by 2?
No problem. Any fraction you can take it. It is not an
It is an improper fraction.
It is not a proper fraction, it is an improper fraction, that's all.
It can also come like that. I have learned this.
LCM, all of you completed?
Ma'am, LCM is
LCM is 4.
4.
LCM is 4. Okay, very good. First step.
4, 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2,
2 into 2 is 4.
4 by 2, then 4 in the box, 4 and 2, then 2, then 2 and 1 by 1.
Yes,
Finished.
finished.
Ma'am, it is 2 into 2 is 4.
Which one? Question, where is the question now?
Ma'am, the question is, it's okay, you can write it again.
Yes, tell me the question.
5 by 4 and 3
5
by 2.
4 and 6
3 by 2.
3 by
First
2.
step, all of you got correctly.
4
LCM.
and 2, LCM is 4.
Yes, LCM is 4. Next, take the first fraction, 5 by 4. You can write 4 by 4, 1.
Ma'am, don't
5 into 1.
answer.
5 by 4 is the answer. 3 by 2, you can write 4 by 2, 2. So 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 2. 6 by 4. Which is larger?
Ma'am, second one.
Second one is larger. Second one is larger. So, it is
Then
Len mute, Len is fighting.
Len mute.
5 by 4.
Len, mute.
Len, please mute your device.
Len, mute.
What happened to Len, Shibin?
Ma'am, Len is fighting with his brother.
With whom he is fighting?
His brother Ken.
Brother Ken.
Oh God. Yes. Now is it okay?
Yeah.
Now understood. Alvina?
Ma'am, it is very easy. If
Yes,
I
ma'am.
understand, I will understand.
Very, very
Easy.
easy. First you will say that it is very difficult, not understanding. Yes, next one. Shall I give another problem? You have to do it. I will not help you now.
Ma'am, you don't need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
help.
8 by 3 and 3 by 6.
8 by 3 and
8 by 3 and 3 by 6.
8 by 3 and 3 by
8
6.
by 3.
LCM is 6.
Yes.
Oh, hey, don't tell it, Samuel.
First you find out the LCM.
8 by 6. And the 3 is the LCM. And 6 is the LCM.
Yes, LCM is 6. Very good. First step you can find the LCM.
3 and 6, 3, 1 and 2.
3, 1 and 2. 2.
Then 3 divided by 6
Yes.
is
Next step you can write. Binnu, are you following?
equal to
Are you there? 8 into 2. 16 by 6.
16 by 6.
Have you got it? Binnu, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am, this answer I got.
Next step you can do it. 3 by 6. 6 divided by 3 into 1.
6 into 1 is equal
Which is
to
larger? Which is larger?
16 by 6.
16 by 6 is larger.
16 by 6 is larger.
16 by 6 is larger. If you want to add, what you will do? 16 by 6 plus 3 by 6. 16 plus 3 is 19 by 6. You can write it very easily because they are all like fractions. If they are like fractions, you can add, compare or subtract. What is meant by like fraction, Binnu? What is meant by like fraction? Binnu? Asif, what do you mean by like fractions?
Fractions which have same denominators are called like fractions.
Hasib,
Ma'am,
what do you mean by like fractions? Yes,
Ma'am,
tomorrow
students,
everybody's video should be on and everyone should be present here. Yes, fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. No one should on off their video. All of you on your video. Simply they are sitting. We are taking the classes there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
There is only when you do the LCM, should we like after doing the LCM we will get an answer, right? Like
Yes.
the LCM. After that, should we check and do the next one, and then we should check which is bigger.
Which one?
Like, should we check which one is bigger also?
All the three they will ask now. Next exercise, compare, addition, subtraction, all the three together. So
Okay,
first
ma'am.
topic is compare, second topic is addition and subtraction. You can use the same result for this. Everyone should be perfect in the next class. I am telling you, those who are absent, ask Ritu to complete and come tomorrow. If she is not knowing the fraction, let her ask and complete
Ma'am,
it.
I message her in the WhatsApp, but she doesn't respond.
No, she is not coming. Simply she is sitting. No
Ma'am,
problem
2
for
more
her.
minutes are
Bye.
left.
Shall I give another one more problem? 2 more minutes are there.
Ma'am, then
Yes,
Ritu will
ma'am.
ask for the.
I'm fast.
Ma'am, Ritu will ask
3
for
by
the
8. 3 by 4. 5 by 8 and 3 by 8, 4. Sahel, you can do it fast now.
Ma'am, 8 is the LCM.
Yes, 8 is the LCM. First step, you got it correctly.
Ma'am, the LCM is 8.
Yes.
Already.
Second step, you can write 5 by 8.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, I have not completed.
8 divided by 8, you will get it as 1. 5 into 1, 8 into 1. 5 by 8. 3 by 4, you can write 3 into 2. So 6 by 8. Which is larger?
Ma'am, 6 by 8.
8 is larger. 6 by 8. 6 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8. Then if you want to add, what you will get? 6 by 8 plus 5 by 8. You will get
11 by 8.
11 by 8. I think all of you understood this.
11 by 8, ma'am. 11
11 by 8. Tomorrow I will give the notes and workbook problems. We can do it.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye,
Repeat.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
I'll ask you the
Bye.
question.
See you.
Okay, bye.